Kuha ko rin yung moon. Sige lang, mag-clear ka pa. Mag-clear ka pa. Go, more. Clear pa, clear. Give me a clear one. Yes! Thank you po. Thank you po. More. Please, more. Thank you po. Yay! May pang-August akong full moon. Alright. Thank you po.